Guys, in today's video I want to introduce African restaurants in Lublin. So I'm going inside to check what they have. I probably do a chit chat with some of the customers to interview them to know their experience so far. So guys, join me inside. Let's see what they have for us.
You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. I'm here 'cause I hold you for life. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, every single moment. Hold you for life.
So these are the varieties of drinks we have here. So there's Malta Guinness. So if you're a Nigerian and you've always liked taking Malta Guinness back home, African restaurant in Lublin is your one-stop place to source for that tasty Malta Guinness drink. And they also have Alomo Bitter for our Nigeria brothers that wants to, like, you know what it means to take Alomo Bitter. So this is the best drink for you. If you've eaten so many cakes in Poland and you want to counter the effect of those cakes, those sugary things, come and buy your Alomo Bitter in African Kitchen Lublin. So you can pre-order. Is there a pre-order options available? Yes, so there's option for you to order. You call them. So I'm going to display their details, their address, and their phone number, and they also have Instagram handle. I'm going to display. So you check the description section for the Instagram handle. So you could just call them to pre-order your meal. So there's always a special order. Even if they don't have that menu that day, they can always prepare it for you. So we have another drink called, what is this called? Ukulenu palm wine. Wow, so there's palm wine in Poland. Yeah. Wow, this is interesting. Guys, I love palm wine. I think I'm going to drink this today. So we'll know how it tastes. And there's also Star. So for my Star lovers, so if you're the type that likes Star beer back home, we have it here in African Kitchen Lublin. So this place is loaded. Like, they have everything in stock for you. They can also send you your order via boat or any means you want them to send it to you, as long as it's in Lublin. Even if you're in Warsaw, from Warsaw to Lublin is just like 2 hours drive, and you come here and enjoy yourself. And also there's opportunity for birthday party. Do you also offer that? Yes, you can have your birthday get together. Maybe your spouse is a foreigner and your spouse, or maybe you don't know how to cook that special food for your spouse. Come to African Kitchen in Lublin. There are a whole lot of food menu here, all stock up for you. There's this particular delicacy that Zimbabweans like taking. What they call this Sasha. Sasa. So if they need it, would you be able to prepare it for them? Sure. Wow. Yeah. Wow, that's good. Okay, guys, so you heard from them, so just place your order.